Today I'll be showcasing a demo of an application I just made. So basically the goal will be to turn this
突然だが、少し考えてみてほしい。人は平等であるか否か。現代社会は平等平等と訴えてやまない。ある偉人が、
into this.
But I want you to think about it. Is it fair to be human or not? Modern society keeps saying that equality is equal.
So the first thing we're going to do is delete this one. These are the other videos I've made with the different other samples. They were longer, so I don't want to delete them. But since this is like 1 minute, it's perfect for this demo. Anyways, first thing I do is I delete that one. Okay, after I delete it, this is the YouTube URL of this. I could have also kept a direct part or like a part in my home directory, and that would have also worked. So let's start. So it usually takes a little bit for it to originally initialize. I'll just talk about the process a little and what actually led me into doing all this. Oh, it has started. Anyways, I'll just leave you to think about the whole process. I think it's being written down here so you can guess what's happening. Anyways, my end goal for this is to be able to create an automatic dub. So it automatically creates dubs for any language you need. Let's say you're watching as a software dev major, like I run into this a lot. I'm looking for a tutorial on the internet, and the only videos I see are videos where their accents are kind of too diverse from mine, so I can't really hear what they're saying or understand what they're saying. If I had this, then I could just keep their videos in here and I could get an output and it would be more clear. Or if it's a totally different language entirely, like Chinese, Vietnamese, French, Espanol, any of those, I could have just kept it in here, then interchanged straight up to English. For now, this first version works very well with just a single person speaking. But the next version I'll probably make sometime in the future, it's be able to switch between who is speaking and who is not speaking. I don't think it would be that hard to implement. Um, Considering I've already done most of the process, all I'll need is a speech or should I say speaker detector. Anyways, I'll just play this for now. And by the way, the processing time doesn't necessarily depend on the length of the video because at the end of the day, everything is usually broken down into smaller pieces. So they usually have around similar lengths. But yes, there's still like if it's a longer video, it will take slightly longer, but it won't be directly proportionate to the length. So for this shorter video, it still has to do every process from top to bottom. That's why the processing time is above the video length. But that won't be the case for longer videos, regular
突
episode
然だが、
videos, and some other
少
stuff.
し考えてみてほしい。人は平等であるか否か。現代社会は平等平等と訴えてやまない。ある偉人が、天は人の上に人を作らず、人の下にも人を作らず、と言った。だがこれには続きがある。生まれた時は平等だが、その後に差が生まれるのは、学問に励んだか励まなかったか、そこに違いが生じる、と。とにもかくにも、人間は考えることのできる生き物だ。平等という言葉は嘘偽りだらけだが、不平等もまた受け入れがたい事実であるということ。
ねえ、席譲ってもらえないかな。そこ
So that should be around 5 minutes now. Okay, let's see the finished product. First of all, this is the transcript, so you can get this if you want to. It usually be longer depending on the obviously the video. This is the original video. This is the original audio from the video. This is the plain sound, but this is the regular speaking. Sorry, not regular. This is the translated sound. This is the background sound. This is just the vocals without background at all. This, yeah, I do not know what this is. Oh yeah, this is this is the original vocal. This is the vocal plus the background. So this is the. Anyways, let's just skip all this. You could probably figure it out if you ever use this. Then now we go over here. Voila.
Sudden, but I want you to think about it. Is it fair to be human or not? Modern society keeps saying that equality is equal. A man once said that the heavens don't make people above people, and the earth doesn't make people under people. But there's a continuation to this. When you are born, you are equal. But after that, the difference is born, whether you encourage or not. Human beings are creatures that can think. The word equality is full of lies and lies. But inequality is also an unacceptable fact.
So for this, it produces different results depending on when and how you when you process it, because of the stabilizer and the booster are not set to a deterministic point. It's kind of more random. But I prefer that because once in a while it kind of gives more of an emotional touch and more realism, I think. Anyways, thank you.